In today's video, I'm going to teach you Prevent Automatically Saving Files to OneDrive in Windows 11, Updated 2026 Full Guide. If OneDrive keeps scooping up your desktop, documents, and pictures into the cloud, and you'd rather keep new files stored only on your PC, this walkthrough will turn off those automatic backups safely and cleanly. Start by opening OneDrive from the taskbar. Look to the right side of your taskbar, near the clock, and click the small cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the arrow to show hidden icons and you should find the OneDrive cloud there. With OneDrive open, click Help and Settings, then choose Settings. This opens the OneDrive Settings window where all sync and backup controls live. Along the top, select the Sync and Backup tab. This tab controls whether your important folders are silently redirected to OneDrive. Next, click Manage Backup. You'll see toggles or switches for the desktop, documents, and pictures folders. These are the common locations Windows uses for everyday files, which is why they're often turned on by default. Turn off backup for each folder you don't want automatically saved to OneDrive. You can disable all three if you want every new file in those folders to stay local on this PC. When you turn them off, OneDrive will prompt you to confirm the change. Read the prompt, then confirm to stop OneDrive from auto-saving files from those folders. This stops the automatic redirection moving forward. Your existing files that are already in OneDrive won't be deleted by this change. They simply remain in the cloud as they are. New files you create in desktop, documents, or pictures after this change will save to your PC instead of syncing automatically. To make sure Windows and OneDrive fully switch over to the new behavior, restart your PC. A quick restart helps the shell and folder paths update cleanly so you don't run into odd behavior with icons or save locations. After the restart, open your desktop or documents and create a small test file to confirm it stays local. You should notice there's no OneDrive sync badge appearing on the file, and you won't see it uploading in the OneDrive activity feed. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Manage Backup screen and turn those folders back on. That's all you need to prevent Windows 11 from automatically saving your files to OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy having full control over where your files live.